All right, guys, day 29. As you can tell, I'm dripping sweat already. I recorded an intro and the audio wasn't working for the whole thing. So I'm just gonna play some of the skating that I've already filmed and then we'll pick back up after that. Alright, so someone commented for frontside nose grind, hop the Smith grind. Kinda close actually. Down to go to the water fountain. I think I need. It's too hot to keep trying. So yeah, pretty exhausted already. I think I'm just gonna go for some easier mini ramp tricks, cause yeah, I have work at 4 o'clock. Can't really push myself too insane as much as I want to. Got to be able to go to work. So yeah. Let's get into it. All right, so I think I'm gonna go for a front big spin disaster. I'm pretty good at front big spins and feel like I could get it. Hopefully we don't use too much energy because I'm feeling pretty shot already. Well, that worked out. I'll try to get a cleaner one though. Shins aren't looking too hot after 29 days of this. All right, keeping that one. Gave me an idea though. I think I'm gonna do front shove, front 5-0. That'll look way better, I think, on this quarter pipe. So it's just about all the energy I have left. We'll really try that. So see if we can get it. Feels a little weirder over here, but I think we can get it. Maybe even bring it to fakie too. We'll see. I don't know, guys. Getting pretty tired. All right, a couple more. This one's a little tougher than I thought. I'm gonna switch the angle because I don't know if you guys can really see. Give it like 5 more, we're done. Oh, did that break? Sound like a little crack. I think we're alright though. That was like a big spin front tail. I think I might try that once or twice. Alright guys, I'm cramping up pretty bad. We got a trick or two. Yeah, I'm hurting. Gonna have to call it. Alright, heading to work. See you guys tomorrow, day 30.